Welcome, everyone. I am Carl Hung, CEO of Season Group and SG Wireless. This is Coffee with Colleagues, a collection of conversations between myself and our colleagues from around the world. I have here with me Oscar from our Reynosa, Mexico facility. Welcome, Oscar.
Thank you, Carl. My name is Oscar Mendoza. I am graduate in Valle del Bravo University here in Reynosa. I am a business administration. I have experience for 22 years in Maquila Industria, and in Season Group, I have 1 year and 8 months.
Okay,
Currently,
thank you.
currently my position in Season is master scheduling in the SMT area.
Okay. Can you take me through a day in the life of your current role?
So my main activity and responsibility is align all the demand of the customer in a production plan. To complete this, I need to create the work orders and give a follow-up shortage material for us and coordinate my activities with production area and materials area. Other activities are make some reports about the production, take the control of the revenue, daily, weekly, and monthly, and give information for import-export for our shipments, the daily shipments, and give support for all areas.
Okay. All right. So that is your task at work. You get off work. What do you do afterwards? Do you go home?
Well, yeah, yes, I go to, well, in this time, only I'm transportation from my home to my work and my work to my, my home. Uh, Arriving in my home, I enjoy my family.
Mm-hmm.
We watch TV and practice some sport with my son, with my wife.
Okay.
Yeah, and we rest all time because the next day I need to charge the battery.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Can you describe how you all felt when COVID-19 first broke out?
Well, when I received the or watching the news in the TV, really I think that the situation was very distant of my city. Yeah, really, I didn't think that the pandemic coming to Reynosa.
Yeah.
And this moment, I was calm. You know?
Yeah. Yeah. I think scared. Many people were scared. I think the exact time that started happening was early March.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
When you and
yeah.
I were both in San Antonio.
Yes, but for example, in this month, well, I am very worried and concerned about my family, my
Yeah.
co-workers, because currently we are in the peak of the pandemic in
Yeah.
Reynosa.
Yeah.
There are several problems with this virus.
Yeah. So what's motivating you to go to work each morning right now?
Again,
Yeah. What's motivating you to go to work each morning?
my main motivation to do is do my work, my job very well.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, uh, I meet the needs of my internal and external customer. Obviously, I want to be a good example for my children.
Mm-hmm. So how many children do you have?
I have 3 children.
3 children. Boy,
Three
girl,
children.
boy.
And the first is a daughter, and
Okay.
the other two, there are twins, boys and girls.
Oh wow. So daughter, boy, daughter.
Yeah, they are
Very
twins.
okay. Very okay. Very.
But the twins has 22 years old.
Oh wow. Okay. All right. But right
The,
now
the
you're
three, yeah, the 3 children are my prom because they finished the university career, and
yeah.
the 3 they are working in professional study.
Okay. I see. I see. So in what ways do you think life will be changed after this pandemic?
Well, I think that I think that during the next months or years, people will be more carefully in the relationship and the social life. But I think also that the society has not memory, and after that, I will be same as before the pandemic.
Okay.
Yeah, this is. I think that in 4 or 5 years, the situation will be same.
Well, hopefully it won't be the same. Hopefully there's to be something different, more caring, hopefully better practices hygiene wise. This is what happened in Hong Kong, for example, in most of Asia as well too. You and I, we've had food at a Chinese restaurant before in San Antonio, so you've seen this. But in Chinese restaurants, in Chinese food wise, we used to eat with a chopstick, and we pick from the communal plate, put into our mouth, and eat. But after SARS in 2003, we all started using communal chopsticks. So instead of using the one that you put in your mouth, you use another set of chopsticks to pick up food and put onto your plate and eat. So better hygiene practices to stop spread of germs overall. That hopefully will happen.
Yeah, I think that there are some practice that we need to change in the future.
Yeah, indeed. So what would be the first thing you want to do once the battle with COVID-19 is won?
Oh, well, my first thing is I would like to have a party with all my family, with my mother, with my sister, and
Yeah.
then I would like to continue the meeting with my co-workers out of the plant.
Okay, so actually do some team building outside of the plant.
Yes.
Maybe have a barbecue.
Yeah, I do barbecue. I make barbecue.
Okay.
Uh,
Yeah.
with
Okay.
the sisters.
Well, hopefully next time I come to Reynosa, we can do a barbecue together.
Yeah, I hope this.
Thank you. Yeah. So what do you have to say to your fellow colleagues from around the world?
Well, maybe I want to tell all the people that be more respectful. I think that the respect is the first value in a person. I would like that these people take have be a respectful. Don't don't care if what is your position in the organization, but you need to be respectful with the people.
Mhm.
And the other thing is, I would like to confront with the problems, also show a positive attitude. This
Yeah.
is important for
Yeah.
me.
No, thank you, Oscar, for that. And that's it for us today. I appreciate the message that you're delivering for people, staying positive throughout, having the sense of respect and caring for others, and that team building attitude that you bring to the table as well too. We've appreciated having you on board for us, for sure, especially in our supply chain team, and hopefully. We haven't seen each other since March, but hopefully we can see each other in person soon and have that barbecue you were talking about.
Thank,
Thank you very much.
thank you very much, Carl. It's a good idea. Do this meeting type. It's very important for us. And I hope see you next on here
Thank you.
in this.